These modules that I'm holding in my hand are just like a brothers. Yes, each other are helping each other, and both of them together are doing a better job. And one of them is an expansion board, and the other one is the very popular ESP32 C3 development board, a mini or micro with Wi-Fi connection with Bluetooth, and also it have 16 pins single core processor. And let me tell you more about this expansion board and what is special about this expansion board. Besides that, you can hook up the ESP32 development board just like this. It have a ground, it have a positive pins, it have the digital pinouts with the yellow pin header, and also we have 3.3 volts output, 5 volts output. All the digital and analog pinouts are here, and the special thing is that you can attach a lithium battery, and also we have a small LED indicating that it's charging or is fully charged. So this thing on the board, it have a built-in charger for lithium batteries, which is pretty awesome. And of course it's an expansion board, so you can attach more modules to this module, or attach sensors maybe. And here it is, the better ESP32 with with built-in tiny OLED screen, 64 by 32 pixels, and this one is maybe my favorites because it have a tiny screen. And right now there is a Flappy Bird here. Alright, but in today's video I will show you some code examples, and we're gonna start using a servo. So on the regular ESP32 C3 development board, you have only one pin with 5 volts and one ground, and one pin with 3.3 volts. And that's it. But if you want to attach more modules, you need an expansion board just like this one. So you're gonna attach it on the expansion board, and I'm gonna use this small, very popular servo. And by the way, all the links will be in description below, so you can check it. And we have ground, positive, and pin number 5, and it goes directly like this. I have already uploaded the code. Power on, and take a look. Now you can control some stuff using this servo, a mechanical stuff of course, and the code is only a test code for rotating 180 degrees. And this expansion board is very useful. You can attach a lot of modules on these pins. An active piezo buzzer that works on 5 volts. I'm gonna attach on pin number 21, and you can change the pins in the code. Don't forget about that. And let's see now. So now I have rotating servo, and in the same time I have a sound. Can you hear it? Yes, of course you can hear it. It's a DIY button module that I made it so for my experiments. And take a look now. I have upgraded the code, and when you press the button, it makes sounds. Move the servo using buttons. And you can attach as you want more modules on this expansion board, which is pretty useful. Now I make the code even complicated. I have added programmable LEDs. These are RGB programmable LEDs WS2812B, and take a look what happened when I press the button. It rotates 180 degrees, and we have a red light. One more press. Oh, here it is. We have a green light, and it's going back to 0 degrees. Beautiful. Alright. Nice. Working like a charm. The code will be in description below, so you can check it and maybe make your own changes to the digital pins or adding more modules, whatever you want. So it's easy. So that's why this expansion board is useful, and I love it because you can attach it, deattach it, all the modules you want. And the ESP32C3 is doing a great job, and these are tiny size development boards. Beautiful. All the links will be in description below, so you can check it. And that was all for today's video, so please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. Every day new video.